Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create glitch transition on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to import some photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload this photo, this one, and also this one. And then I'm going to click on add. Okay, and then wait guys, so let me adjust the position like this. Okay, all right, and then to add the glitch transition we need to go to the effect menu. But wait again guys, I'm going to cut the duration. I'm going to make the duration faster, so I'm gonna cut it. Okay, and all right, we need to go to the effect menu, select the video effect, and then we can go to the glitch category and we're going to choose fuzzy, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this effect to the video. We can choose all videos like this, and then I'm going to cut the effect and I'm going to place the effect on the transition position, and then we can duplicate it, and then we can move it right here like this, and then I'm going to duplicate it again and place it here, and you can duplicate the effect as much as you need, and let's play it. It will create this kind of transition. And then to make it more captivating, I'm going to add animation to the photo. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to add animation. We can select the photo and then we can go to the animation right here. And then I'm going to choose combo. I'm going to choose the zoom animation and let's try it. Okay, and for this one as well, I'm going to apply the zoom animation, and let's try right zoom as well. For the last one, I'm going to try right zoom. Okay, and let's take a look. Okay, and this is for the glitch transition. And wait, I'm going to customize the effect, go to the adjust, and I'm going to increase the chromatic and also the aberration. And for the speed, let's try it. Okay, you can customize it as you like. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glitch transition on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.